Wondering if crypto is still worth your time in 2024? Is it too late to get started? Trust me, it's not. In this video, I'm going to take you from zero to hero in the crypto world. We'll cover everything from the basics, like what cryptocurrency actually, to setting up your first wallet, making your first investment, and even diving into the exciting world of crypto trading. Think of this as your one-stop shop to potentially building serious wealth with digital currencies. Okay, before we jump into buying Bitcoin or Ethereum, let's take a step back. What cryptocurrency? In the simplest terms, it's like digital money. Think of it as the evolution of cash, but instead of being printed by governments, it exists entirely online. What makes crypto unique is that it runs on something called blockchain technology. Imagine a giant public digital ledger that tracks every single transaction. This makes it incredibly secure and transparent. No more banks or middlemen calling the shots. Now, Bitcoin was the OG cryptocurrency, launching back in 2009. But here's the thing, it's not alone anymore. There are literally thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique purpose and technology. Some are focused on speed, others on privacy, and some even aim to revolutionize entire industries. But why is everyone so hyped about crypto? Well, for starters, it has the potential for huge returns. We've seen Bitcoin go from practically worthless to over $60,000 per coin. But beyond that, people are drawn to its transparency. Every transaction is viewable on the blockchain and its security. It's incredibly difficult to hack or counterfeit. So, you're ready to dip your toes into the crypto pool? Great. The first thing you need is a crypto wallet. Think of this like your digital piggy bank where you'll store your crypto. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. There are a ton of wallets out there, but let's focus on 3 that are perfect for beginners. First up, we have MetaMask. This one's a browser extension, so it's super easy to use. It's primarily designed for Ethereum and Ethereum-based tokens, but it's a great starting point. Next, we have Trust Wallet. This one's known for its simplicity and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It's a great option if you're planning on exploring different coins. Finally, if you're serious about security, which you should be, then you need to check out a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X. This bad boy stores your crypto offline on a physical device, making it virtually impossible for hackers to access. It's like Fort Knox for your digital assets. Alright, wallet secured, check. Now let's get you some actual cryptocurrency. The easiest way to do this is through a cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms are like the stock market, but for crypto. You can buy, sell, and trade a massive variety of digital currencies. So, which exchange should you choose? Well, a few popular options for newbies are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Coinbase is super user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. It's like the Apple of crypto exchanges. Simple, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Binance, on the other hand, is more like the Android of crypto. It offers a wider selection of cryptocurrencies and more advanced trading features. If you're looking for more options and lower fees, Binance is a solid choice. Finally, we have Kraken. This one's known for its robust security measures. If you're concerned about keeping your crypto safe and sound, Kraken is worth considering. Once you've chosen your exchange, you'll need to create an account and link your bank account or credit card. Then, it's just a matter of searching for the cryptocurrency you want to buy, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and entering the amount you want to purchase. Chapter 4. Investing in cryptocurrency. Now, buying crypto is exciting, but let's get one thing straight. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Investing in crypto, like any investment, requires strategy. You don't want to throw your money at the next shiny coin someone hypes up online. Before you invest a single dollar, do your research. And no, I don't mean scrolling through Reddit threads. I'm talking about understanding the technology behind a project, the team behind it, and its real-world use cases. Look for projects that are solving real problems and have a solid team behind them. And here's a golden rule in the crypto world: diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially in a market as volatile as crypto. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to minimize your risk. Finally, remember the acronym HODL, which stands for Hold On for Dear Life. Cryptocurrency is a long-term game. There will be ups and downs, but if you believe in the technology and the projects you've invested in, don't panic sell at the first sign of a dip. Patience is key in this game. Chapter 5. Trading Cryptocurrency. Now, if you're feeling a little more adventurous and want to potentially profit from the short-term price swings in the crypto market, you can try your hand at trading. But be warned, trading cryptocurrency is not for the faint of heart. It requires a solid understanding of technical analysis, risk management, and a whole lot of emotional control. Before you even think about placing a trade, you need to learn how to read charts, identify trends, and understand indicators. Platforms like TradingView are excellent resources for this. They provide all the tools and data you need to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. Once you've got a handle on the basics, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange that caters to traders. Binance is a popular option, as it offers low fees and a wide range of advanced trading features. And here's the most important tip for any trader, especially in the crypto world. Always set stop-loss limits. These are orders that automatically sell your crypto if the price drops to a certain level, limiting your potential losses. Trust me, this is crucial for protecting your hard-earned money. Chapter 6. Using cryptocurrency in daily life. You know, a lot of people think crypto is just for investing, but it's actually becoming more and more usable in everyday life. Yeah, you can actually spend this stuff. More and more businesses are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as payment. For example, did you know you can buy furniture on Overstock or shop at thousands of online stores using Shopify with Bitcoin? It's true. Need to pay your bills? No problem. Platforms like BitPay allow you to pay for everything from utilities to credit card bills using crypto. Planning a trip? You can even book flights and hotels using crypto through platforms like Travala. The possibilities are growing every day, and it's only a matter of time before crypto becomes as commonplace as using your debit card. Now, before we wrap things up, let's talk about something super important: safety. The crypto world, while exciting, can also attract scammers and hackers like moths to a flame, so you need to be extra cautious. First and foremost, never, ever share your private keys with anyone. These keys are like the password to your crypto wallet, and if someone gets their hands on them, they can drain your funds instantly. Be wary of phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or trust emails asking for your personal information. Legitimate crypto companies will never ask for your private keys or passwords via email. When it comes to storing your crypto long-term, consider using a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X. As I mentioned earlier, these devices store your crypto offline, making them virtually impenetrable to hackers. And finally, always enable two-factor authentication on your crypto exchange accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code from your phone or email every time you log in. Alright, are you ready to level up your crypto game? Once you've got the basics down, there's a whole world of advanced strategies you can explore to potentially supercharge your returns. One popular option is staking. This involves locking up your crypto to support the operation of a blockchain network. In return for your contribution, you earn passive income in the form of more cryptocurrency. It's like earning interest on your crypto just for holding it. Ethereum is a great option for staking, especially now that it's transitioned to a proof-of-stake model. Next, we have the exciting world of decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. DeFi platforms like Aave allow you to lend out your crypto to others and earn interest, or even borrow crypto against your holdings. It's like a decentralized bank, run entirely on blockchain technology. And of course, we can't forget about NFTs or non-fungible tokens. These unique digital assets represent ownership of digital or physical items, like artwork, collectibles, music, and even virtual real estate. Platforms like OpenSea have exploded in popularity, allowing anyone to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. So, there you have it. You've officially completed Crypto 101. You now have a solid foundation to navigate the exciting, sometimes confusing, but ultimately incredibly rewarding world of cryptocurrency. Remember, whether you're just starting with a small investment or diving headfirst into trading and DeFi, the key is to never stop learning. The crypto space moves at lightning speed, with new projects and technologies emerging all the time. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and never let the fear of missing out cloud your judgment. Alright guys, that was a crash course in all things crypto. I hope you found it valuable and feel way more confident about dipping your toes into the digital asset world. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore, from the metaverse to Web3 and beyond. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn even more about building wealth, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And hey, if you want to see more crypto content from me, let me know in the comments below.